Hi! Today we are going to learn English language for preschool. High frequency words I, he, she, have, has. Let's start. What can you see in the room? Can you tell me? What can you see in the room? There are cat, box, cap, and toy. Cat, box, cap, toy. High frequency words for today. I, he, she. I, he, she. Have, has. Let's read the sentences. There's a cat. Whose cat is it? It's my cat. So I will say, I have a cat. I have a cat. Now, it's his cat. So we will say, he has a cat. He has a cat. Now, the cat is hers. So, she has a cat. She has a cat. Now, what is this? Do you remember? Yes, it's a box. Whose box is it? It's my box. So I will say, I have a box. I have a box. But now the box is his. So we say, he has a box. He has a box. Now, it's the girl's box. So we will say, she has a box. She has a box. What is this, class? Yes, it's a cap. If it's my cap, I will say, I have a cap. I have a cap. It's the boy cap. It's the boy's cap. So we will say, he has a cap. He has a cap. And now it's her cap, the girl's cap. So we will say, she has a cap. She has a cap. Now it's a toy. My toy. And I will say, I have a toy. I have a toy. But now it's his toy. So we will say, he has a toy. He has a toy. If it's for the girl's toy, we will say, she has a toy. She has a toy. Okay, now let's choose the correct sentence. There's a toy, but whose toy? Which one is the best sentence? The girl represents I, so which one is the answer? I have a toy, she has a toy, or he has a toy. Which one is the best answer? Yes, I have a toy. I have a toy. Good job. Okay, now let's see what can we see here? Yes, it's a cap. But whose cap is it? It's a girl's cap. So choose the correct sentence. I have a cap. She has a cap. Or he has a cap. Which one is the best one? Do you know the answer? Yes. She has a cap. She has a cap. Okay, now choose the correct sentence for this one. Can you see here what is it? Yes, it's a cat. But whose cat? Oh, it's the boy's cat. So, which one is the best answer? I have a cat. He has a cat. Or she has a cat. Yes, he has a cat. He has a cat. Okay, good job, class. Now, choose the correct sentence for this. This is a box. So, whose box is it? Oh, it's her box. So, which one is the best answer? I have a box. He has a box. Or she has a box. Do you know the answer? Yes, she has a box. She has a box. Wow, amazing. Okay, now time for recap. Let's read aloud the words. I, he, she, have, has, box, cat, cap, toy. Can you read again? I, he, she, have, has, box, cat, cap, job. Well, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.